Giving back to the community is very important to me. Tonight is a really special night for me because I am hosting an event for one of my special charities, Dress for Success. I am hosting 30-some women for Bunko. Now, I love Bunko. I have played Bunko in England, Canada, Virginia. Wherever I go, I bring the love of Bunko. And for those of you who are saying, what is Bunko? It is a mindless dice game, that's all. If you can count to 6, carry on a conversation, and hold a glass of wine, you can play Bunko. So that is why sometimes it's been nicknamed Drunko, but you haven't heard that from me. So let's get on, and the first important part about any Bunko game is the bar. So I want to show you how to set up the bar for a great Bunko night. So welcome to my favorite place in my house, my hidden bar. It's time to set up the bar for Bunko, so come on in. Because I have about 30-some women coming, I want to make it fairly easy for people to come and get drinks as they need it. I should tell you as an aside tonight, I have celebrity bartenders, which are these handsome young men who volunteered tonight, so I think the ladies are going to get quite a kick out of that. Tonight I've decided to bring back the Cosmopolitan, but put a little twist on it. One of my favorite movies is the Sex and the City movie, and at the end of the movie, the 4 women are drinking Cosmopolitans, and Miranda says, "Why did we ever stop drinking these? They're so good." And Carrie says, "Well, because everybody else started." But tonight, everybody's going to want this drink. What we need is some citron and some Patron citronage, which is like a orange flavor Patron. So we got 2 alcohols here, so people will feel pretty nice. A lime simple syrup, which I'll show you in a minute how to make this. My martini glass ready to go. Always fill it with ice to get it nice and cold. And then for my garnish today, I've got lime peels. So let me show you how to make the lime simple syrup for the Cosmopolitan. First, you're going to put in a half a cup of water and a half a cup of sugar. Put it on a high flame and make sure you stir that up. In the meantime, I'll show you what else we need. I took the zester and did about a tablespoon of lime. So this is lime zest here. And then fresh lime juice, and that's another about half a cup. So a half a cup of water, half a cup of sugar, and then a half a cup of lime juice. And a lot of times I use cane sugar, and so cane sugar takes a little bit longer to dissolve than the processed refined sugar. All right, see how it's coming to a boil? Now I'm gonna let it get to a full boil, and then I'm gonna cut it off. I take it off of the heat, pour in my lime juice, my lime zest, and that's it. And I'm gonna let this cool for about 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna put it in a jar, and then put it in the fridge to store, and it'll stay for about a month. So let me show you how to make this. It's basically 1 1/2. Take my cocktail shaker. These are about 1 ounce. This is 1 ounce rather. And in most cocktail shakers that holds true. So I'm gonna do 1 1/2. And you know, it's not an exact science to making martinis. It's close enough. So 1 1/2. And then we've got the Patron that we're putting in. And if you've not tried this Patron, that's some yummy stuff. And then I'm going to shake up my lime simple syrup. And then we've got about a half of that. And then finally, I'm going to put my cranberry juice in, which I don't have with me. Can you grab the cranberry juice? Okay, I'm back with the cranberry juice. Okay, so let's do our final ingredient, which is our cranberry juice. Now, a lot of people will put the ice and then put the drinks. I like to put all of my ingredients in first, and then I'm gonna put my ice in. Ooh, that is the sound of a party. And then we're gonna shake, 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 and I like it to shake it until it's so cold that I can't touch it. Here's a trick I learned. You want to serve it with the ice chips. Make sure you're getting a very aggressive swirl. And here is our yummy martini. Delicious. Well, it's almost time for my party to start, so it's time for me to bid you farewell. Just remember one important rule. Whatever you do, just say no to paper plates and red cups. Happy entertaining, everyone. The phone never rings. This is the second time today.